So I'm gonna go ahead and let's get started on creating the campaigns. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just have the landing page right here, and that's really all I honestly need. Just only have what you need, and I'm gonna have just the ads platform right here in Power Editor. So I'm gonna go back and look at this prior campaign. So I'm gonna make sure I see what exactly was the stuff that's working. So if I do some filtering, all I want to really see is objectives, conversion, conversions. Then I can, look back at the cheapest leads, which is this one. So I want to copy this campaign, to be honest. It's a really good one. I want to copy it. So the ones that got the most leads, I want to copy that one. Looks like this one is a good one. And then looks like the ad that was working was this one. So ad number 283, and what else? Let's take a look and see which are the cheapest leads. At this one and at number 283. So I'm going to go forward and just copy that. It's really easy. So first thing I'm going to do is duplicate new campaign. I'm going to call this one 28 Day Fit Lean 2018. And I'm going to just put in here MFC V2 is the version that I'm using. And I'm going to duplicate it. So now that I got that duplication, um, I can go ahead and start editing this campaign. So once again, only thing I'm going to look at is this campaign right here. So that's all I'm going to look at is this one. So I'm going to click on that one. That's all I want to see is the one I'm editing. I can delete that one. All right, so now let's go forward with making this. Images from 12 Week Fit and Lean, old school. So I'm going to copy that, and the images I'm going to use as, if you guys remember correctly, I think it was that one. And which other one was it? I think it was that one, right? So those two. So the other ones I'm going to delete because I don't need them. So these are the only ones I'm going to run with. I'm going to click on Edit, and hopefully it let me edit the creative. So that's a page post, so I can't really edit that, so that's a no-go. So I'm going to have to delete that one. And then this one, hopefully this is not a page post. Yeah, it's not, so I can use this one. So I'm going to copy that link, place that link here. Living in Toronto, this is for you. We're looking for people to transform their body and health in the next. Transform their body and health. So they can not only look but also feel great. Your application success, we can invite you for a free consultation. Alright, great. So I got that in there. So I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna bit.ly this. I'm gonna shorten it. So I'm gonna create bit.ly. And I'm just put in here Toronto lean. Hopefully that's something that nobody's got. Great. So I'm gonna copy that, test it, make sure it works. Great, it goes to the right one. Alright, and then I'm gonna use this bit.ly now. There we go. Huge opportunity Toronto, limited availability. Perfect. Keep it not all the same. Okay, so now that I've got that ad set created, let me just reconfirm with the placement and everything. Alright, first thing I want to make sure is starting from top to bottom, 35 to 50. the pixel needs to be this one. I'm optimized for leads. And the ad set is going to be $5 a day, starting 35 to 50, and everything is looking good so far. All right, so I've got that. So I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'm gonna go over his budget. So his budget's 2,000 a month. So I got enough leg room to play with. So fit and lean, phase 2 images. So I'm gonna just change the images. Keep everything the same, but just change the image. So I'm gonna edit, and then the images I want to kind of use is going to be here. Click on fit and lean, phase 2. So I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna use these. So I'm gonna just download these. Unzip it, and then press forward with getting it created. Alright, so upload image number 1 is going to be this one, add 1. Alright, looking good, looking good. Make about 3 duplicates. Don't freeze, don't freeze, don't freeze. What's also a good habit is just pausing the ad sets and then activating them just so that you can get it approved early. Because there's no use in creating all these ads and then launching all of them at the same time and then all of them get disapproved. It looks bad on you. So you just do it like that for now. So I don't know what was going on, but let's try to duplicate this again. There we go. Now we can do ad number 2. Right there. The reason I'm not doing phase 1 images is because Canada, where he's at, is they're used to those images. So I'm just using phase 2 images. You can always use phase 3 if you want to use phase 3 though. But phase 2 is next in line, so I'm gonna use that. Ad number 3. Then ad number 4. Okay, so we're good to go with the ads and the ad set. But remember, he's got a really good budget, 66 a day. So we can create 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and it'll work perfectly.